Okay, Algebra 2 students, here's the video for example 2 for section 4.1. We're going to review this concept, inverse variation. When a relation between x and y is an inverse variation, we say x varies inversely as y. Inverse variation can be modeled by the equation y equals k over x, or it could be x equals k over y, or it could be x times y equals k. And that may seem familiar because previously, in the previous video, we multiplied x times y to determine if it was a constant. That constant is the constant of variation. So like in this table here, if you multiply x times y, you get 24 every time. So the constant of variation is 24. All right, we're going to write some equations, I believe, in this example using that idea. In an inverse variation, x equals 10 when y equals 3. Write an equation to represent the inverse variation. Well, if it's 10 and 3 for x times y, we will get, well, they wrote it like this. I like to just go x times y and find out the variation, the constant of variation is 30. That's what I do right off the bat. And now I know I can have any of these forms, so I could have y equals 30 over x, and there's other ones too. They also wanted us to find the value of y when x was negative 6. So I would use the y equals 30 over x, since they gave us x, plug in negative 6 for x, and now I have y equals 30 over negative 6, which means y equals negative 5. So to answer the question, they wanted us to come up with the equation. So here's the equation. I can't highlight that, but there's the equation. And when x equals negative 6, y was negative 5. Hopefully that makes some sense. Let's try some. Let's try a similar question. Click pause. Come on back when you're ready. All right. I think I already have this on another screen. Here we go. X is 6 and y is a half. So if I multiply those two together, I get 3. So I know k, the constant of variation, is 3. So that means the equation could be written as y equals 3 over x. That's one way of writing it. And that's good because they gave us, in the second part, they gave us what the x value is. They want to know what is y. What is y when x is 15? Well, when x is 15, we put a 15 in here. We get 3 over 15. 3 over 15 reduces to 1/5, or 0.2. So that's going to be my answer, 1/5. 1/5 and this equation right here. Let's see what they came up with for those two things. Y equals 3 over x, and y is a 1/5. Very good. Okay, on page 199 to 200, you can do these three problems, 13, 16, and 24. That's it for this video. Have a great day.